Unlock the power of augmenting in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a word that can unlock new levels of expression in your English conversations: augmenting. Understanding this word will not only enhance your vocabulary but also enrich your speaking and writing skills. So, let's get started and discover how to use this powerful term. The term augmenting comes from the Latin word augmentare, which means to increase or make larger. In English, it carries the same essence and is used to describe increasing or enhancing something in value, size, or strength. It's often used when talking about improving situations, adding to debates or stories, or giving a greater sense of scale to something. Now that you know what augmenting means, let's put it into action. You can use it in various ways, such as enhancing abilities. She's taking an advanced course to augment her coding skills. Adding extra features or components. The company is augmenting its app with new security features. Increasing understanding or knowledge. Reading extensively augments one's understanding of different cultures. When you use augmenting, it's usually followed by the thing you are enhancing or increasing. It's an active process, implying that someone or something is making an effort to improve or expand. Augmenting can be applied in various contexts, making it a versatile addition to your vocabulary. Here's how you can use it in different scenarios. In technology, developers are augmenting virtual reality with new interactive capabilities. In business, the company is focused on augmenting its market presence. In academics, the university is augmenting its curriculum to include more online courses. In each example, augmenting suggests positive improvement and a striving for betterment or expansion. To further expand your vocabulary, it's helpful to know some synonyms for augmenting. Words like enhancing, amplifying, boosting, enlarging, and expanding all carry similar meanings. Using these words can add variety to your English and help you sound more fluent. Enhancing, often used to talk about improving quality or adding features that increase value. Amplifying, generally used in terms of sound, but can also mean increasing the importance or intensity of something. Boosting, a more informal term often used in everyday English to talk about increasing or improving. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the word augmenting and how it can add more depth to your English usage. By incorporating this term into your language repertoire, you're not just learning English, you're augmenting your abilities and opening up new opportunities for expression. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to augment your English skills every day.